Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, July 30th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. And we don't got a lot today, but the rest of this week will actually be pretty packed. Tuesday, Wednesday, especially, we got a lot of economic news releases scheduled. And we got jobs numbers will probably be the most important items that'll be coming out later this week on Friday. So no economic news releases today. So head to the headline news, and stock market's down a little bit. Dow is down about 10, so there's not a lot of trade going on right now. Um, some of the comments last week is some of the things that brought up the markets last week were big comments made by the Euro leaders. The European Central Bank leader Draghi, Mario Draghi, made basically said they're going to preserve the euro, do whatever it takes on last Thursday, and then Friday. Merkel and Holland from Germany and France basically said the same thing from those 2 points of view. So right this week, investors are going to be expecting some type of action from the European Central Bank to try to preserve the euro, and if they don't, then it could easily fall the opposite direction. So this will be something to watch for. See what Mario Draghi or the European Central Bank will come up with this week. All right, so we'll jump over the bond market, see what the bond market is doing today and how interest rates are moving. As we saw last Friday with the pretty long drop in the red there, means we had a couple price corrections to the worst, so rates got worse on Friday. So we're basically where we started the day off. They're not as good as Thursday because we're lower on the totem pole there at the 105.91 versus 106 plus. Still below the 10. So we got some work ahead of us. We are touching the new ceiling for us. Right now, this could easily, we got a lot of economic news releases for this week, so that could go the opposite direction. As we said before, we have a pretty big opening gap right here, so that will at some point probably most likely be closed, hopefully within the next couple of days. So at some point we might see that closed. All right, folks. So rates are about where we started off on Friday, but about the same the beginning of the day, except for but they are better from compared to what the end of the day was, if that makes sense. So we'll just say by end of day of Friday, we are better than that, and we're working our way to improve that with that opening gap to try to close that opening gap. All right, folks, have a wonderful day, and thanks for stopping by and listening, and we will see you tomorrow.